everyone. Welcome to Francis Sainik Academy at Sindhusha.
Hello dear parents and students. In the last video, I have given you the complete details regarding the Sainik School Entrance Exam Notification 2022. But still many of you have doubts regarding the scanned copies that has to be uploaded during the application process. So today in this video, I will give you clear details about the scanned copies required to fill the application form and other details. Before starting this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Let us initially see what are the scanned copies required to be uploaded. So the first one is candidate's photograph. Okay, it should be a colored photo with white background. Second one, candidate signature. Third, candidate thumb impression, left hand thumb. 4. Candidate date of birth certificate. 5. Domicile certificate of the student. 6. Caste certificate. And next, finally, service certificate if the student is the ward of service defense personnel, or PPO if the student is the ward of ex-serviceman. Okay. Now let us have a look over each of them in detail. So look here. So let us initially talk about the first scanned copy that has to be uploaded. It is candidate's photograph. Okay. So when you upload each of these copies, you have to take care about very minute things also. Okay. So I'll just tell you all those instructions and minute things which you have to take care about. So the first one is candidate's photograph. Okay. And the size of the scanned copy should be between 10 KB and 200 KB. Okay. The size should be between 10 KB and 200 KB. It should be JPG format or JPEG format. At the same time, it should be a recent photograph of the student. You can see on the screen also, I have given you an example. Okay. So the first point you have to remember is the photograph must be a color photo with white background. Okay. It should be on white background. Remember carefully, it should be on white background and it should be colored photo. Okay. And on the photo, you have to mention, okay, the name of the candidate along with the date when the photograph is taken. So these two things have to be mentioned. I have given you an example on the screen. You can look at the screen. So the photograph must be a color photo with white background. So there should not be any color backgrounds. Okay. It should be a white background. It should be a recent photograph. Okay. So it should be on or after July 2021. Okay. It should be a recent photograph. Better nowadays you get a photograph within one day. Okay. So just take a photo, passport size photograph, and upload your recent passport size photograph. See, if you do not follow these instructions, your application will be rejected. Okay. The form will be rejected. And spectacles are not allowed. Okay. Goggles and all are not allowed unless until you can use it. Okay. Only spectacles are allowed if the student is used to it. If the student is used to the spectacles, only then they are acceptable. Okay. Or else the caps, the goggles, all these are not acceptable. Okay. And application without your passport size photograph will be rejected. And even you do not follow these instructions, then also the application form will be rejected. See here. Okay. Computer generated photos are not accepted. Okay. And if you do not follow, see, applications not complying these instructions. Okay. Or with unclear photographs. Okay. If the photograph is blur, or if you give a photograph with a colored background or anything in this way, and if you do not follow these instructions, what happens? The application form will be rejected. Not upload. Okay. If you do not upload also, application form will be rejected. Okay. So be very clear. So the passport size photo, it should be a color photo with white background, and you have to mention your name, okay, the student's name and date when the photograph is taken on the passport size photo. It should be a recent photo and it has to be taken after or on July 1st, 2021. Clear? Next one. So next that has to be uploaded is candidate signature. Okay, the second copy that has to be uploaded is candidate's signature. So here what should you do? Initially just take your white paper. Okay, so on the white paper just write your name. I just gave an example. Okay, so you can see the example on the screen. So just for example, if the student name is Madhu, okay, initial is K, just write in this way, K Madhu. Okay, put the signature in this way. Okay, it should be a running handwriting, so block letters or capital letters are not allowed if you write in this way. Okay, this is not accepted. This is not accepted. Okay, there should not be block letters or capital letters here. Okay, so you have to put your signature in running handwriting with black pen. Remember, with black ink only, and then later on you have to scan it and upload it. Okay, the file size must be 4 KB to 30 KB, and again it can be JPG or JPEG format. Okay, if you do not upload this or if you do not follow the instructions again, so your application form will be rejected. Okay, so without uploading the signature also the application form will be rejected. Okay, third one. So the next one you have to upload is candidate's left hand thumb impression. So candidate's left hand thumb impression. So what should you do again? Again just take a white paper and take a blue ink, or you can use so take a blue ink, okay, on your thumb, left hand thumb, and just put it on the paper and scan it. Okay, so again you have to upload it. Be very careful, you have to use only blue ink here. Okay, you have to use blue ink only for thumb impression. Remember once again, for signature you have to use black pen. For signature you have to use black pen, and for thumb impression you have to use blue ink. Okay, don't forget it. So better just take a notebook and note down all these points. Okay, so when you upload a form you might forget all this. If you just point out all these things, no, if you noted all these points in a book, so you just can revise them and you can see them while uploading, so that you won't commit any mistake here. Okay, so once again I repeat, signature must be in black ink, but left hand thumb impression, your thumb impression must be with blue ink. Okay, so later on just scan it and upload, use it for uploading. Okay, the file size must be 10 KB and 50 KB, again JPG or JPEG format. Clear? So here also, if you do not upload the left hand thumb impression, then so it is not accepted. Okay, the form is not accepted, it will be rejected. Okay, so these three are main. And next, what are the documents you have to upload? So you have to upload the domicile certificate, caste certificate, and service certificate. Okay, next, date of birth certificate. So these 4 certificates are needed along with above 3 mentioned. Okay, so what is domicile certificate? Domicile certificate is nothing but the residence certificate only. It is nothing but the residence certificate. That means the student belong to certain state or union territory. It tells that the student belong to certain state or union territory. Okay, next, caste certificate. Okay, so it is important for the reservation purpose. Okay, next, date of birth certificate. So date of birth certificate of the student, you have to upload it. Next it is, and next coming to service certificate. Okay, so this is only for those people who has defense reservation. Okay, as I told you, for the students who have defense reservation, only they have to upload the service certificate. If it is ex-serviceman, you can upload the PPO. Okay, so service certificate only for defense people. Okay, defense children. Clear? And many of the students have this doubt. Many of the parents keep asking me, what if the domicile certificate of the candidate is not available? Okay, so that is also mentioned here. So dear parents, that is also mentioned here. Just look at it, look here carefully. Okay, if the domicile certificate of the student is not available. If the domicile certificate of the student is not available, then domicile certificate of the parent may be uploaded in the relevant field. Okay, you can upload the parent domicile certificate, okay, resident certificate in place of student domicile certificate. Okay, later you can show the proof, okay, during the admission time. So once again, let us have a look over all the scanned documents required. Okay, so first one, so candidate's photograph. I tell you once again, this should be a color photo with white background. Many of you do a mistake here. They upload a photograph, okay, color photograph with different color backgrounds like green background, blue background and all. That is not accepted, okay. You have to upload a color photograph with white background only. The background must be white only, and on the photograph, okay, so you have to mention on the photograph there must be the, okay, you must definitely have name of the candidate and date when the photograph is taken. It should be a recent photograph, I tell you once again. So you have to upload a recent photograph which is taken after 1st July 2021. Okay, next one, candidate signature. Okay, next, candidate thumb impression. Okay, again, don't get confused here. Candidate signature must be with black ink pen. Okay, black ink. And candidate thumb impression must be with left. Candidate thumb impression must be with, again, blue ink. Okay, and left hand thumb. Don't forget it. So the other documents required are date of birth certificate, domicile certificate, caste certificate and service certificate. So last four, they must be between 100 kb and 500 kb. Okay, so the last four must be between 100 kb and 500 kb. Okay, don't forget it. So I hope now you all have a clear idea about what scanned copies you have to upload and how to do it. Right? Thank you. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can put it in the comment box and we will answer you, or you can contact us. Thank you.